Example, find the quadratic equation whose roots are -4/3 and 5/2. Solution. To do this, let's write it out first. We have, let's say the equation is of x, that is the value of x are those that are given as -4/3 and 5/2. So we say x equals -4/3 and 5/2, and this is like a working back process. So this, we split it, we have x equals -4/3, then and s equals 5/2. Then we work back to give us a simple equation. So here we'll be having, we multiply both sides by 3. Multiply this place by 3, we multiply this place by 3. So we are having 3x equals, here we have -4, because 3 here 1, 3 here 1. -4 times 1, we have -4. This side also, multiply both sides by 2, we have 2 times x, then 5/2 multiplied by 2. Here we'll be having 2x equals, here we'll be having 2 goes there 1, 2 goes there 1. 5 times 1, 5. Now here, we bring this -4 to this side so that this side will be 0. So we'll be having 3x -4 comes to this side, becomes +4 equal to 0. Then here we'll have 2x, 5 at this side, comes to this side, becomes -5 equal to 0. Now here we have equal to 0 here, equal to 0 here. We now multiply these two equations together. To do that, multiply the expressions we have at the left-hand side and left-hand side together first. So we'll be having, here at the left-hand side, we're having 3x plus 4. And here we're having 2x minus 5. Then, because this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0, 0 times 0 will give us 0. Now here we expand. To expand, we take the first term in this bracket, multiply it by everything inside this other bracket. So we'll be having 3x into 2x minus 5. Then the second term inside the first bracket, plus 4, would also multiply everything inside the second bracket. 2x minus 5 equal to 0. 3x times 2x, we have 3 times 2, we have 6. X times x, we have x squared. 3x times minus 5, we have this same thing as having plus. So plus times minus, minus. 3 times 5, 15, then x. Plus 4 times 2x, we'll be having plus 8x. Plus times minus, minus. 4 times 5, we have 20 equal to 0. Now let's simplify further. We'll have 6x squared minus 15x plus 8x here would give us minus 7x. Then here we have minus 20 equal to 0. And here we have our quadratic equation. Therefore, the quadratic equation whose roots are -4/3 and 5/2 is this quadratic equation, 6x squared minus 7x minus 20 equal to 0. Thank you.